Want to make your Coyote howl? Then feed it a little nitrous oxide with a wet plate nitrous kit from NOS. Nitrous Oxide Systems has developed a complete wet nitrous kit for the 2011 through 2017 Ford Mustangs, powered by the popular Coyote engine. Our kit provides exceptionally smooth power delivery and will bolt right up to a standard or the Boss 302 intake manifold using an 80 or 90 mm throttle body. We machine our half-inch slim profile plates from billet 6061 T6 aluminum, then anodize them in an attractive black finish for durability and great looks under the hood. Included are 4 sets of stainless steel jets for dyno-tested power increases of 75, 100, 125, and 150 rear-wheel horsepower. This system is more than capable of supporting up to 250 rear-wheel horsepower. However, keep in mind that power levels exceeding 150 rear-wheel horsepower may require upgrades to the fuel system and engine internals. Our NOS kit, part number 02125 NOS, includes a half-inch nitrous plate with stainless steel mounting bolts, stainless steel solenoid mounting brackets, custom bent hardlines, progressive controller, and all the necessary hardware needed for your installation. You'll also find an NOS Blue 10-pound nitrous bottle with mounting brackets to give you the look of a professional installation. We also offer it in a plate-only kit, part number 13125 NOS, for those of you that like to build your own custom nitrous kits. Don't let that Roadrunner get away. Give your Coyote some nitrous today.